So a couple of fun things from the thrift store today. A Hewlett-Packard 17B works just fine with the addition of new batteries. Not that I really need a 17B, but it's a reverse Polish HP calculator, and this is, a very well-known model. Price $1.99. Can't pass that up. The other thing, for $1, was a set of kid wipes. They had a whole bunch of these. I should probably have bought more, but there's nothing quite like these for cleaning off optics that are of the not terribly sensitive variety. But these are the kinds of things you always keep around a microscope and whatnot. And again, for $1, how could you not buy them, right? Also, I'm wrong. This is one of the models that isn't reverse Polish notation. Well, I'm going to have to look up the manual for this. The copyright date on the bottom is 1987. I don't know if you can see that. I don't have, obviously, my lights and everything set up here right now. But I think this model was manufactured for a long time, so I don't know if that has any bearing on when it was manufactured or not. It's in marvelous shape. It looks like it was reasonably well used. You can see around the on button there's a little wear, and then the requirement of every calculator from the era is a little bit of whiteout on the outside, but I had done nothing when I showed it before, and I've just wiped it down a little bit, and it's really perfect. Anyway, quite fun to have.